Hi everyone. So today we have pretty good radio. It's from 1970s, Sharp 5200. It's all original. Radio FM works, cassette works, and also we did manage to install the Bluetooth in it. So first I'm gonna show you how we test it. We just test the radio, and later I'm gonna show you how the Bluetooth works. The cassette also is very funny. You have to put the cassette first and later slide those down to make it work. Now the cassette. Let's go forward. Let's go back. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Oh, the lights for some reason works only on radio. Sorry. Let's take out the cassette. Now the lights are working. It's not much light here, but hey, this is how it came from factory. Okay, so in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to switch on this one. Now the Bluetooth is on. We go to our cell phone, activate Bluetooth, wait a couple seconds. Here we go. That's it. Now we go to YouTube, play any music we want. Of course the ads will come up first. Wait a minute. Now. Now the radio plays from your phone. Great, huh? All original looks. Let's try another song. Actually, it sounds really good for its age. You want to turn off the Bluetooth, switch off on the FM again. We're back to radio. Thumbs up, guys.